can I see how we alone? Look how hard we try, nobody here we cry. Them no care for you for we alone. Been through the storm, when the rain is on. We saw no one, we alone.
Let me stop before I get copyrighted. Yo, what up, everybody? It's a brand new day, y'all. Look at my face. Look at my face. Look at my face, though. I mean, well, over here it's kind of oily because I have antibiotics on my eyebrows, but my eyes are back to normal-ish. It's still a little, like maybe 5%, 4% puffy underneath, but my face is back, and not only that, my eyebrows. Let me see if I can zoom in. Y'all about to see all my pores and impurities, but my eyebrows still a little red in between the hair, but thank God the rash is going away. Thank you, beautiful baby Jesus, because I was legit about to cry. Anyways, it is from the last video I did with my whole eyebrow. It's been a couple days because I've been more trying to just, one, I've been down, two, I was just really, well, I guess because I've been down, I was trying to focus on just figuring out like what to do to get my eyebrows and my face back to normal. And I was just really down, so I didn't really feel like picking up the camera because I didn't like how I looked. It's a whole new day. I'm about to clean up our spot because since we had to do a little bit of rearrangement, things are kind of just all over. Laundry has been washed and not fold. Like, it's just bothering me because things are just so out of place and I just need to freaking clean up. And I figured the best time to do that is now while Nyla's not here and Ziggy's not here. So that's what I'm about to do. I just went on the road because Shauna's doing her little back to school shopping for Lyra. Lyra starts school this year. I cannot believe, like, I am shooketh on how fast time has gone. So I went to do that, and then I just picked up some miscellaneous stuff for myself and hubby, and I have laundry and stuff to do, which I don't usually do till later on in the evening, but I'm actually gonna start because I'm trying to get everything done tonight. Gotta love housework, gotta love housework. And I have work all this weekend, so I'm not trying to leave too much on Ziggy. So that is what is going on right here now. Oh yeah, and I want to send a big shout out to everyone who has been checking up on me. You know, big up your guys' self, really appreciate it. I had posted couple updates on my social media, so I don't know, Instagram is just not Instagram anymore. Snapchat I've been using like that, TikTok, like I'm just so over social media, to be honest, because the stupid algorithm and all that crap is just irritating. But, and I also, well, by the time I'm even saying this, the vlog that I want to upload hopefully will be up. So that's what I'm gonna do. I need to turn off this heater because that's what I forgot to do. I forgot to stop at the store to get wine. Damn it. Anyways, let me go change my clothes and start cleaning because it's already 3:44. Okay, you guys remember yesterday how I said I was cleaning up and I got laundry to fold and all this stuff, not the laundry in the back room. So now I have to scramble through it to find a shirt. How am I gonna wear this? And now I gotta find me a scrub pants, which I think, oh, my black ones are in the wash. Is this a black one right here? Scrub pants. I'm about to quickly get dressed because, like I said, I have 10 minutes to get ready. It's the weekend and Ziggy and Nyla's home. I got work, but I'm only doing like an 8-hour shift, so I started like doing a 12 to 8, which is not bad. So guys, if I have any followers that are nurses, usually I go to like, so sometimes I wear my scrub tops, but there's some days where I'll just throw on like scrub pants and I get like these half zip shirts. So this one's from Marshall's. I actually bought it yesterday, so that's what I'm wearing today. I love wearing these half zip ones. To be honest, where I'm at, so I'm gonna change my shirt, but where I'm at is cold and I hate being cold, so I like getting these half zip shirts, especially during the winter time. I find they're so convenient and they just look so sleek. I love it. And this one is Puma. Is it Puma? Yeah, this one that I have on is Puma, but I just like how it looks. Literally every time I wear these type of shirts, everyone's always Everyone always asks me, oh, where did you get your shirt from? I love your shirt. I'm like, yeah, man, Marshalls and Winners has some finds. Oh, I gotta get socks. They always have some good finds. You just have to like really scramble and look. Not me about to wear 2 different pair of socks. Hope y'all week was blessed. Mine was blessed. Can't really complain. Why does this shirt feel itchy though? Now I gotta quickly do my hair. I don't know if I'm gonna throw on a scrub cap because the N95 mask that I wear at work is literally ripping out my hair. And then my eyebrow, if you've been following me, you know that I've been going through an allergic reaction with my eyebrows. So I've been using like hydrogen peroxide to clean it and then putting my antibiotic on it, and I literally lather my eyebrows in it. Just give me 1 second. Which is like literally one of the hardest things to do. So I'm just gonna quickly dip this. If my brows are doing way better, they're still itchy though. That's the only thing that kind of sucks. And then the medication that I have, I gotta put it on. I mean, I gotta take it in the nighttime because it makes you dizzy and drowsy. So I can't even take that right now. I mean, I can take a Benadryl. Actually, yeah, that's what I'll do. I'll take a Benadryl now because they are itchy. And I'm trying not to itch it. And I just have my antibiotics that I put on it. This is the one that I'm currently using. So it's an antibiotic and a corticosteroid as well. So it's a mixture of both, and it actually has been helping a lot. So I know I look crazy, but because I'm at work for 8 hours, I kind of want it to stay. I didn't charge my watch, did I? I don't know what Ziggy got planned today. I think he was gonna go downtown today. I'm not sure. But then he also wants to finish like the cupboard. But he said he's gonna see how he feels. And then there's like some minor stuff that we I'm like literally bringing you guys with me. There's like some minor stuff that we have left to do. The basement's not like fully complete yet. By the way, woke up this morning, did my morning routine, and I just used my CeraVe glycolic acid and like as my toner, but I didn't put any in my eyebrows, and then I just used my lotion. I ran out of sunscreen, so now I gotta go get a sunscreen, but there's a specific sunscreen that I want. It's called Black Girl Sunscreen. So that's what, I'm not supposed to wear perfume to work, but that's the one that I want to get, but it's so I can't find it, and I gotta go like somewhere else to get it. But if you guys are looking for a sunscreen, that's a sunscreen that you guys could check out. I think you can get it online. My watch is dead. Great. I'll see you guys later. And not me tuning in this up this morning. This is all I hear. This is all I hear. Huh? Oh, mommy got to work. Are you gonna vlog for me? So show them your boo boo. Where's your boo boo? You got a boo boo. Okay, I'm gone. See you guys later when I come home.
So you got. Let me use this. All of a sudden, Leicester are back in this game. What that's for? Got a cream?
See you later.
So I badness. I joke man, many badness are going on this I badness. So right now, as I check in, we don't see me, I don't know, so we say we keep up with the thing, cause yo, I hold it. Now I not even want to say I hold it, but some things are going on, some things are going. You see me? And from the last vlog when I said for all out there in the Durham area, I check out my cupboard them. If you don't have some cupboards them want to set up back, and you know, as I say, if you don't have them and them look like you know nice them up, and you can give me a link, me can bring them back, spray them up, sand them up, and ting them up. So right now me the home. So me go on a liquor strip on this. Remember what day I'm showing I say me have a liquor swelling for my ears right so yeah look like well my face still swell up. But anyway, you know that's me go up and I walk in since then I say yo you need to take care of that something there. So me have to just go so booty doop and make a move. But them give me a number for call. Me call me not get through so me say yo you know I don't go but I sit down with it too long and I go just make a move and done. So you know that's me just run up and emerge. I know me I sweat my kitchen run up on the emerge, ouch, I just see the place and walk back in it. Run up on the emerge and make an appointment and did I wait for them to deal with the thing. You know, that's me get it done. So what them say was I don't remember what it's called. It's not a cyst. I don't remember. Probably Nisha will tell you what I want. But anyway, them squeeze out the way in it was a whole heap of blood, whole heap of and some liquors other something come out of it and things. So patch up back and yeah, patch up. So right now I have to go clean it, look more and wash it, keep it clean. If I see like anything in it, I try to squeeze out the back again, even though that's more pain for me I could do and stuff, alright. But anyway, right now I cook some beef soup, pork soup. I want to cook for all our bonfire. I'll say oh no pork in that pork soup. But anyway, Nisha says she want beef soup, so decides alright cool, I just deal with that. This right now I have the beef in a pot already, and if you can see what I want, some carrots, some pumpkin, some onion, some pimento seed, and the beef them in it, you know. So I already start cooking from a good while ago already, and some time and say night. So now I go drop in some other stuff in it to go and cook in it. Meanwhile you don't know it thing come down and I have me grace yo me tell you so for all who, and before me even go to say yo big up all of me Caribbean people, big up all of me yo, just big up your whole globe. Anywhere you're from, just drop some comment down in the comment section. I not even want to see no comment, just let me see some flags in the comment section with some comments on top of it. You see me, tell me what your favorite soup. My favorite soup is pea soup. Any pea soup, I love pea soup. So I may have found a favorite soup. But anyway, so right now, Grace. There's a Grace seasoning, Grace product. My favorite two products is Grace and Maggie. Maggie, Grace, if you know they don't know, give me a link up, give me a link up. So first of all, I have some pumpkin. Even though I have pumpkin in this already, but the thing is, the pumpkin now ready way or more anti-fee. You understand? So you know that's me have to go use this to kind of get it some color in it and some. Then over here so again, I have some soup it up same way. You don't know, I like whole heap of sauce and the whole heap of flavor in it, and then I have the coconut powder to kind of simmer it in the realest way. Then I have to roll up some dumpling and drop in the pot. But that I go on for right now. You get what I say? So differently, me just there all have vibes. Play some music. Say you want me baby? To switch over I pot them. Big man I cry like y'all, brother, happy birthday. Time here, brother, me wish me could have seen you now. Hold them selector. Boy, I'm just happy some my time when I can look about a pot of food. Glad. Excuse my language. Excuse my language, my people. I know me attack our mouth just a run water. Jesus Christ. I know me I go out the door with a pot of soup and just put it down out the front and say $10 a cup. No, $10 too much. I know much $10 a cup of soup. Real nice. Probably all then drink and come back and say, yo, make a pot for me there, daddy. Thing in that pot, yum, everything. Hello. Nothing. You wanna hear people, you see first thing in the house me cook. You know, ask me alright, you know. Me glad on the year, you know, no look. Me glad on the year, you know. Wait. What? Say what?
I was on the phone with you when you were doing your surgery. And
But listen here.
are you feeling okay? Any pain? Take Advil. Still has your face.
Yeah, so you did on the phone with me earlier, I know. Yeah, you cook? I joke, man. Yeah, me just done it so soon. Little girl, come on, how far are you? Hurry up and come here. Me a soup, I feel differently. You good up? I don't know. Put the gas in your, just put 20 in mine and then put the other 20 in yours. Huh? I don't know, I'm just saying. You get this in if you clean off this? It's okay. Some are already there already. It's okay. Alright. Now I'll clean up and also. Right. Yeah, so may I tell you, yo, big man thing, yo, this a vlog full of PS. One time, remember one time, like, yo, some man afraid to cry, you know, like, literally them go through some things in their life. Me not even want to say some things, so with woman, you know? Like if a woman left for a man and feel like say, yo, if he cry, in front of them go say, oh, that you're soft ass. But you left for a man if he cry. Yo, oh, ball, brother. Number one, for December, make sure it's on the day at Jamaica. Cause yo, there's a block. Yo, make sure you're there on the party. I may have a next party to tell you about same speed. I'm going on iPhone. This is one that in a Portland. You get the badness. I tell you what I'm going. So the one that in a Portland. Where you chopping stick. Let me find. Bang 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 bang. So the one that name Run Road. You get me? Ratty Magala and Team DDR present Run Road. And you know how we sound about today. Stone the biggest sound in Jamaica. Yo. So which part the date at December 21st? You don't know say which part in a Portland. Today a Heart Hill. I don't know how we there no, but me want today. You see me? And the next one I tell you about right now is celebrate with your friend. That the one they go there and chill on the side, on the Duncan's Clarkstone, chill on the side. Celebrate with your friends. A whole heap of things that they have to make tugs. From day one tugs party that the whole heap of people go did it. And they have a next link to drop on the CMA. So you see if you not got yard or you not ride, I could every Kingston and come Montego Bay or one, you can just link up with the family business, right? That's what this one you don't know, say anywhere you want to reach, you reach there. If a full tour throughout the time when you're there, you get the full tour. Pick up, drop you off back, anything. So you know if you search for a Greenland tour, you see me, this is when we have the business, Greenland Enterprise, a rental business, but now we boss I did the tour business. So if you find him, I'm going to show you what I go on right, that's all. You see me, I don't know if you can connect. Yo, I'm going to just find the Facebook or everything so you can find. So Instagram at Greenland Tour 1421 at gmail.com. If you know want to call the number at 876-522-9680. So if you want a link, I remember me just tell them say you are Ziggy or the NewbyFamTV or you want a link or you want a discount. And you know say yo, pick up at airport. Even if you're there I want a ride, you can link your dog same way. And your dog hooking up on a nice comfortable ride. You see me? No joke. You see me? So big up with yourself. And they say them gonna watch some play.
So guys, I'm home after Ziggy's hair talking his rubbish. Y'all don't watch my hair. I had my bonnet on because I was having a lazy day. Anyways, what are you saying about me on the camera while I'm not here? Oh.
What's it? That's
Give me a hug.
happy.
Give me a hug. Poor baby. Anyways, let me show y'all my flowers that Ziggy got me yesterday.
Is it too thick?
Just because, no, I actually liked it. It was good. He got me flowers just.
People cook for you, take out all the big like I say.
I just drank a full bowl of soup.
Baby pot, you think so.
Yo, I naturally don't eat a lot, so don't even. Anyways, Ziggy got me flowers yesterday. You turn Nyla?
No
Ziggy got.
joke.
Remember who has to take care of your ears later?
Oh yeah, they tricked me.
Anyways, Ziggy got me flowers yesterday just because. So now I don't have a bowl to put it in. So I gotta find something to put it in before he cuts me and say, oh, you didn't take care of my flowers, I'll never buy you flowers again. But aren't they so pretty? And I always love white roses. Even though it's like a tint of pink in there, but. Anyways, I just got home from work not too long ago. I had a 12-hour shift. It was a long, steady day. It wasn't too bad. I have work tomorrow, so I'm about to go and shower. I don't know if I'm gonna wash my hair. I probably should. And then I'm gonna just relax for the rest of the night. And then I'm just gonna call it a night. Hope everyone had a great day. I had a great day today. Today was a good day. Y'all, I'm so proud of myself because I've been packing lunch and bringing lunch to work because, and the thing is, like, I would do it before, but then I would stop. I would do it, then I would stop. But I've just noticed I've been spending too much money on lunch, and I'm also trying to, like, just be healthier. So the only way I can be healthy right now is if I'm bringing lunch. So brought lunch today, and now I have food to bring tomorrow, and I'm proud of myself. And I didn't have. I'm so tempted to drink pop right now, but I didn't have no pop today. And I've done this before where I stopped, but I'm gonna see how long I can keep up with it this time. But I'm really tempted right now. Really tempted. But anyways, I'm about to go shower. So I don't know if I'll come back on.
Nobody here we cry. Them no care for you over be alone. Been through the storm when the rain is on. We saw no one. We alone.